Stocks tacked on small gains amid a thin trading session Tuesday. About 3.5 billion shares traded on the New York Stock Exchange and just 1.7 billion on the Nasdaq. Throughout the day, there was a tug of war between signs of improvement in the U.S. economy and continued worries about Europe. In the afternoon, stocks got a bit of help from news that Italy might be inching closer to welcoming in its new government. Several news reports said that Mario Monti will meet with Italy's president on Wednesday. Monti is expected to put together a cabinet soon, and investors are hoping that these are Italy's first steps toward trying to fend off its soaring borrowing costs. However, there's plenty of doubt that a shift in leadership won't be enough to put a dent on the country's fiscal outlook. Earlier today, Italy's 10-year bond yields once again pierced the 7% level, and even more troubling, borrowing costs rose in Spain and France as well. The Dow traded in a range of about 160 points today. It was mostly down in the morning before drifting higher on the news about Monti. Stocks then lost momentum going into the close, with the Dow tacking on just 17 points. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 added 6 points and the Nasdaq was up 29 points. The gains weren't enough to erase all of yesterday's losses. As Europe remains on the forefront, a batch of economic news out of the U.S. helped buoy sentiment today. Retail sales rose more than expected. That's a good sign going into the holiday shopping season. Wholesale prices dropped, suggesting lower inflation. That may give the Fed some leeway to stimulate the economy down the line. And then manufacturing in New York, while still slow, had a positive reading for the first time since May of this year. Finally, in corporate news, Walmart weighed down the Dow with a loss of 2.4%. The lackluster economy hurt Walmart's business in the U.S., and the retailer's third-quarter earnings fell shy of Wall Street's estimates.